Here at Don's Mobile Lock Shop, we have a full-service lock shop that can provide service for your home, business, or automotive. We've been serving Oklahoma for 35 years. In the beginning, we started out with a van and a file, and nowadays it's all electronics. We install card key systems, access control with biometric readings, fingerprints. We have one of the largest selections of keys in the Oklahoma City Metro. We carry the equipment to program the transponder chip keys. Here at Don's Mobile Lock Shop, we have a full line of safes, including gun safes, home security safes, floor safes. We have a full service lock shop that can provide service for your home, business, or automotive. We can install closed circuit TV cameras that can be viewed across the internet and even on your cell phone. If there's something Don's can help you with, let us know. 405-329-0508, or check us out on our website at donsmobilelockshop.com.